So guys, today we were talking shit a couple of days ago and said, hey, we need to, we need to change the oil in the car. He's like, oh, so do I. He's like, oh, so do I. And I was like, oh, so do I. So we're gonna decide to make this fun. We're gonna change the oil to all our dailies and figure out which one's the more mechanically inclined and what's gonna take less time to actually do it. Now they're very different cars. Gordo, what's your daily vehicle?
I got a 4Runner. John has a Tacoma, Milton has a Hyundai.
Excellent. So that's a V8 4Runner, what year?
It's 2003.
It's a 2003 4Runner V8. I didn't even know that existed until he bought one. I have a 2007 V6 Toyota Tacoma. He has
2017 Hyundai Accent, small engine, so I think I'm gonna be the fastest one.
He's gonna suck at this.
So
So
John, John probably confused you with a really long explanation. So it's basically what car is easier and faster to change the oil.
Yes.
So that's what we're gonna be doing today.
Yes. All right.
Yeah.
Let's do this. You can see the puppy. She's very ready for this. All right, come up primero. Milton.
Milton's gonna start off with his. Milton's gonna start off with his Hyundai, and then what we're gonna do is gonna start, and John's
Use
gonna
my trusty little chronometer.
start his timer that you can't really see it because it's really white.
Yes.
And then should have like a darker background as well.
No, that's just how. That's how. Yes, there. I don't know. Can you see it now?
Yeah, kind of can see it. You can't, but
that's
yeah,
weird.
He's
That's
gonna
weird.
be taking the time.
Chronometer. And so we're gonna start in 3, 2, 1, go.
Rumors say he used to work for the Puerto Rican NASCAR,
Yeah.
but that team never existed.
Tita, of course, is gonna help him out through all this project.
We failed.
Huh?
First fail.
First fail. He says he's used to work on race cars, not Hyundai. So, you know. So, second and 10. Safety first, Lincoln. Safety first.
Get up. Parece que está bien cacao temprano.
Hace para adelante porque tú también seguramente necesitas ayuda, cabrón. ¿No?
Look at that technique.
Everything's been going so fine so far. Oh, nasty.
There you go.
That is very dark oil.
Mm-hmm.
Very hot too.
Nastiness.
Yeah.
Milton's assistant here.
That's your assistant.
Yep, there
There's
you
a
go.
puppy coming through.
Yep. Oh yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
¿Cuánto echaste? ¿7 glucones o 5 glucones?
5.
Esto porque 10 glucones.
So yeah, so now he is putting the new one in. He already got the other one out.
We're about 6 minutes and 50 seconds in. He's almost done on the bottom.
John has helped him out a lot. Not really. Luna has helped him out more.
Luna! Come here!
So yeah. He's like 7 minutes in. Now we're getting that purring action. I think this is going to finish like in 10 minutes. There we go, we're nearing the end.
Yeah, he's getting there. He's actually setting the
Tap his back.
up high.
Go.
And
It's on the
time.
floor. He's done.
How much?
11 minutes, 25 seconds.
Let's see. Let me show it again. You can't see
11
that shit.
minutes.
So yeah, so
11
a
minutes,
minute 25
seconds.
seconds.
Right?
Fast.
That's the time to beat. That was pretty fast. I'm not gonna
pretty
lie.
good.
That was
Pretty good.
That was pretty good.
It was faster than I imagined.
Yes, that was a lot
So
faster
yeah,
than I
so
imagined too.
Milton set up a high record. So
So that is the time to beat.
yeah,
Now it's Gordo's turn.
bullshit. Should be your turn.
Champions goes last.
No, but you got here first. Your oil is cooler than mine. So you should go second.
That's your excuse, right?
Yeah.
My turn. Time is 11 minutes and 45 seconds, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, we gotta beat 11 minutes 45 seconds.
Which I kind of think he's slow as fuck. Now, make them look over there. I think that was very fast and very difficult to beat. I don't know, I'm just gonna say this. I didn't want to admit it, but yeah. So, let's see how I do.
But John should win because he doesn't need a jack
I don't think I'm
and his oil filter
It's right in there.
right. Yeah, I don't know.
right. It's right here.
Right there.
It's like super easy. So he's just whining.
Because I don't think I'm that fast, you know? I don't know. So, let's do this. Victor, you got the timer? Timer? Victor, timer? Should I start? There you go. There you go. All right.
So he got you can't see it again.
It's all white.
He got the stopwatch ready.
So, 1, 2, go.
He doesn't even know how
Yeah.
to start.
He doesn't even know which way to go.
I'm so confident.
It's all over the place. I don't know. I think he looks confused. When's the last time you changed your oil, John?
What's that? What is this thing you're talking about changing oil? Huh? Well, it's not good.
Come on, just do it, yeah.
You can't tighten it.
Huh?
Let's do it!
Just do
I
it.
can't just do it. I'm trying to just do it. This time as fuck. Caramba.
You need a handle, Jan?
Yes, I do actually.
So John is off to a bad start.
This is a very bad start.
Where the hell is the handle?
Under there. This sucks. Alright, but it's not the car's fault that I'm weak.
There he goes, second attempt.
Second attempt.
That's when you have a man's truck and you don't deserve it. What am I doing?
You can see this man's obviously used to an office job.
Fuck you.
He's so confused.
Oh, there we go.
It is officially loose.
How's that time going, Milton?
Holy shit. He's about 4 minutes in.
Really?
4 minutes in, John. You gotta.
Got to hustle.
It's actually 2 minutes.
That's gonna be hot. It's about to come. Here's a splatter.
Look at that. Yeah, so we thought John was back in the race, but I don't know.
I don't know. He's confused.
He's just walking back and forth.
He doesn't know what to do now.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys.
We think this might be his first oil change. He says he's done it before, but I don't know.
I don't believe him.
He doesn't know where the oil filter was first. He doesn't know where the
Oh, so apparently what's happening now, he had forgotten to tighten his nut.
I have not forgotten.
So I think those are lies. Because if he hasn't forgotten, why is this open?
What do you mean?
Look at that. He was ready to pour that shit in there.
Milton put the ghetto funnel in and...
Doesn't want to see him.
Oh, that was open because I put it on the filter.
I feel bad. I don't even want to check how much time has gone.
I have no idea, man. Probably like 20 fucking minutes. Me and my dumb ass. I'm gonna call my weak asses. The problem here was not the car, it's just money.
Tensions are high right now.
I know, right? Look at this concentration. Look at this ghetto funnel. Yeah. Yes, it is, and that would be time, isn't it? Huh?
You're gonna stop. See how long
Oh, you don't have it with you?
So yeah, Milton's gonna check John's final time.
What is my final time?
So you think you did fast?
No, I think I sucked. I'm disqualified.
Well, you actually did pretty good.
What's pretty good? What's pretty good? What's pretty good? What's pretty good? What's pretty good?
9 minutes, 27 seconds.
Fuck yes! Fuck yes! Fuck yes! My weak ass did it faster.
Yeah, let's just
My weak.
just leave it at you didn't do it faster. It was just easier.
Well, hey, I did it faster. That's all that matters, right? So we're done. 9 minutes. Why do people pay to get their oil changes done? I mean, it makes no sense.
I really don't know.
It makes no sense.
All
So,
right.
I have a time of what? How much is it? 9 minutes and
9
27
minutes,
seconds.
27 seconds.
Beating Milton
Yep, by 2 minutes.
by 2 minutes. Gordo is about to go on. If you don't think he's taking this seriously, look at
That's
his
face.
hand. Now look at that serious face.
So
Worried face.
I'm not too worried because I don't think I'll be worse than John. I really hope. So
Let's get this started. Milton, do you have the timer?
Give me 1 second. Yep. 1, 2,
2,
go.
go.
little skills.
I kind of made a mess, like right there. That was my. I'm sorry. Here's Gordo.
You left that trap right there, so
Yeah, I left that on purpose.
Gordo wasn't.
I told him to move the car. He was good.
Oh, I'm gonna get so burned. Get away from the oil, wherever you are.
Luna. No. Luna. Are you already done? You can't. You have to take off the filter, dude.
Yeah, but I can't take out the filter without the oil draining first.
No, you need to let the oil drain with the filter out.
You just got fun. What are you doing?
Ya. Luna, Kira, vente, vámonos. Gordo, you made a mess.
Your fault.
So sit rep. Doggies were attacking Gordo. I have no idea why. And he's about to unplug this cable. Gordo's actually into this. There you go. Now,
Yeah.
Gordo is on. He is really on track. I don't think he let it drain well.
The best thing you can do. Just buy 2 kinds of oil.
Yes. See? He's actually doing well. Kind of a mess, but doing well.
All John's fault.
He's doing rather well. I mean, he did not have the problems I had, and he's actually on point. Look at this. Look at that stream. That's right.
Combination.
Well, somebody's calling somebody. Somebody's getting ignored. Oof, Gordo. Prende tu teléfono. He's really into this. I think he's.
What the fuck? What do you do, John? You break it?
Come on, come on.
You're
you gotta
almost-
go faster. Oh. Ready? Oh.
What was the time?
So,
Gordo did it in.
Go on.
10 minutes and 2 seconds.
Ooh, Gordo, you suck.
Nah,
You
Gordo,
suck now. You
man.
won, man.
You did 6 minutes and 16 seconds.
6 minutes?
And
In your
16
face, John.
seconds.
6 minutes? Let me see this.
6 minutes.
Oh, look.
16
Oh, there you go.
seconds.
6 minutes and 16. Holy shit, Gordo, do the happy dance. Let me see it, Gordo. Let me see
I'm
this.
not a stripper, John.
Wow.
Gordo, good job, man.
Now I gotta clean this mess.
Yes, you kind of do. So, 3 very different cars. Well, our cars are actually rather similar, but mine was actually the easiest to do. We thought Milton did a very excellent job. He did a bang-on job of doing 11 minutes. Then I go there and it's like, yeah, what's up now? I'm too weak to do this shit.
He did a really bad job.
I did a very bad job of doing 9 minutes. And this bastard
Nuts.
right here did actually 6 minutes
6 minutes, 16 seconds.
and 16 seconds.
Yeah,
6 minutes and 16 seconds.
I'm better.
So the winner is this bitch right here. So
It was fun. It was fun.
Yeah,
It was fun. It was fun.
it was
little
actually
challenge.
very interesting to realize it's very fast to do an oil change.
Yeah. So if you're
5 to
paying,
10 minutes max. So,
if you're paying to do your oil change, you're very lazy.
yeah.
Yeah.
Putting that out there.
So there's no such thing as I don't have enough time. 6 minutes.
Yeah.
6 minutes.
11
I'm
minutes
slower.
the most,
11 minutes,
the most, and 9 minutes.
9 minutes.
I'm doing a really bad job.
Really, yeah.
Like
a
a
very,
bad
very
job.
bad job at it. You don't have,
Bad.
yeah, don't, that's enough.
So 9 minutes. With a very bad job.
Yeah, thank you, Wendell, thank you. So, hey,
Yeah.
peace out.
Yeah, it was
See you later.
it was fun. Like, comment, subscribe.
Tell us how long does
Hit
it
the
take
bell.
you to do your,
Yeah, tell
Oil
us
change.
how long it takes. It should take less than 9 minutes.
You can do it in 6 minutes.
6
and
minutes.
Go, though.
We did it 11 minutes, but I didn't have to jack my car up. He did. He sucked. But yeah,
I'm just gonna go away, you know?
yeah. So we'll just catch you guys on the next one. We had fun.
We did.
So yeah, so let us know whatever suggestions, whatever. Yeah.
Like, subscribe, leave us a comment. How long does it take you to do your oil change?
Yeah.
Alright,